Ableton Live Basics under 2 minutes. To toggle between the Session View Selector and Arrangement View Selector, press Tab. Next, if you want to add an instrument, go to Instruments and pick the instrument you want. In this case, I'll be using electric. All I need to do is to arm the channel and double click. And that's all. Next, to activate the metronome, simply click on this icon here to turn it on. And to change the tempo of the project, simply drag over this icon to increase or reduce it. Now, if you're not comfortable with the grid settings and you want to change it, simply right click and go under this adaptive grid and choose the type you want. Let's say you want to loop a section. Highlight that section and click Ctrl+L to activate the loop. Next up, to hide or review the clip view, simply press Ctrl+Alt+L to hide or reveal it. Next, to add a piano roll to a MIDI channel, simply highlight the section you want to add and hold down Ctrl+Shift+M. And here are the features of each channel. Over here, it is the arm button, and the arm button is used to engage each channel ready for recording. The next is to solo it. Then the next one is to mute and activate that channel. Below is the gain knob to determine amount of volume for that particular channel, and over here is the pan knob, and it's the same with all other channels. Next, when you open Ableton Live for the first time, it loads by default 2 MIDI channels and 2 audio channels. Over here is the collection sections where we have the plugins, the sample pack, the MIDI effects, audio effects, and many more. And if you want to add your sample pack folder to the list here, all you need to do is to click on this add folder and head down to the folder where you have all your samples and select it. And that is it. Next, this section here is called clip view. And this is where the effect and piano roll of any channel displays. Next, let's say you want to make beats and you want to add one short sample to your MIDI channel. Simply head down to arm, turn it on, and go to the sample you want to add and double click, and automatically it will be assigned to that channel. And finally, the way you can add more MIDI channels and audio channel, just come to this empty space, right click, and you can see the option to insert audio track or insert MIDI track or insert a return track. So guys, that will be it for this simple basic rundown of Ableton Live DAW, and this is for those that are intending to start using Ableton. This is just a quick guide to help you on that path. So see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.